what is the text and point. These two topics we will discuss today. So first create one plane, top plane, sketch, and create some geometries. Select this all. Okay, then draw some circles. Okay, now we will draw some text. So click on the text. This is the text, clear it. First we will select this line and type it here, anything. SolidWorks. See, this is we typed here. Select bold. Here use document font. If you want to increase, you can increase. Choose bold, or here you can add 10. Okay, see, it is increased. There are many options. Bold, then rotate. See, it is rotate. Then reverse, upward, downward, then this reverse. Now write SolidWorks. Just make it upward. See, it is upward. This is the tool called width factor, and another one is spacing. Width factor, you can increase the space, and this is spacing. Spacing, you can increase the gap between these letters. See, and in font you can change. There are many fonts. Center, then change here point or choose this point, whatever you like. Here too many fonts, 8 mm. Okay, see, this font change. So these are the options. Okay, again choose text, and this time we will choose this circle and type it here, SolidWorks. Make the font bigger, let's say 10 mm. Bold. Okay, see, choose it here, reverse. So now it is outside. Select this, flip horizontal. Now it is looking real. Select slide, tilt, bold. It's already bold. So these are the text. It is very helpful. Anything, anywhere you can draw the text on your plane or on your body. Okay. Now we will see, this is point. What is the point? Select point, draw one point here, one point here, one point here. Okay. These points will decide how you will take the dimension, what dimension you should keep. This is the main aim to decide. Select this point, put one here, and one here. Now select dimension, and see, you can assign angle or anything. This is the main use of point. This point. It is actually we are using for reference point. We are using to decide or find any dimensions for point. I hope you like this video.